Hey everyone, this is Kayla with AllProWebTools. In AllProWebTools, you can use lead boxes to capture the contact information of visitors to your website. You can attach a Recaptcha in order to decrease the amount of robot responses. In this video, I will show you just how to do that. As you can see here in my website, this is under the Contact Us page. There's no Recaptcha. There is only an option for the lead to enter their email address as well as a message. Now, I want to enter a Recaptcha underneath this to verify that they are human. I need to go back into my AllProWebTools account. To add the Recaptcha, you can hover over Settings and go to Administrator. As you scroll down here, you can see on the right side the Recaptcha configuration settings. This includes the master on-off switch. As you can see, there's a Recaptcha site key box to enter a code here, as well as you're able to enter a code for the Recaptcha site secret. If I were to turn on one of these modes without having a key or a secret, then my Recaptcha wouldn't work. And if my Recaptcha doesn't work, then neither do my lead boxes. Because of that, I will need to click on the link that says Get Key so I can set up my key and my secret. Once you click on it, you may be asked to sign into Google. If not asked, make sure at the top that you are signed in to the correct Google account. Now let's go down and register our site. First, we need to create a label. It's just a name to label the key and secret we are about to get. Before I talk about the Recaptcha type, I'm going to explain how to add the domain. Here, I would like my Recaptcha to be right here in my Contact Us page. So all I need to do is highlight anything between the symbols. I don't need to add HTTPS or www. But I do need to highlight everything between that up to .com. So I just need to copy that, and then I can paste it into the domain right here. After I add that, I can add as many as I would like wherever I want my Recaptcha to be. So here with the Recaptcha type, you can either choose Recaptcha v3 or Recaptcha v2. Here, when you click the Recaptcha v2, you can see that 3 different options pop up. This is kind of the older version, but with the 5.5 AllProWebTools program, you do have the option for the v3, which verifies requests with a score, which means that your leads do not have to click on anything, but it still verifies that they are not a robot. Here, if you choose to do the v2, then it verifies a request with a challenge. You can do I'm not a robot checkbox, or it can validate requests in the background. So I'm going to choose Recaptcha v3, which means that they don't have to click any buttons or anything. It's just verified within the background. So now that you've registered, go ahead and accept the terms of service and hit submit. So now that I'm registered, I can copy the site key and copy my secret key. So in order to do that, I just need to click right here. It tells me it is copied, and I'll head back into my AllProWebTools account to paste it. Then I need to do the exact same thing with my site secret. I'll copy it, and then I will paste it. Now here, since I decided that I wanted it to be a v3, I do have to turn on the master switch right here. If I slide this one, it means that it's off. If I turn it back on, that means that my Recaptcha v2 is on. If I wanted to turn it to Recaptcha v3, all I have to do is press this master switch, and you can see v3 right here. It will also remind you if you have the key and the site secret set as v2, but you have your master set as v3, it will tell you right here that it's not going to work. So you need to get a new v3 key. So now that I've configured my Recaptcha site key for v3, and I put in the key and the secret and I saved it, I can see here that if I press Recaptcha location, I know that it's within my sign-up boxes and it's in my contact page. I can also turn it on with my checkout page. Here, if I go back to my site, I can now see in the right-hand corner that my Recaptcha v3 is working. Now, if I turn it on with v2, I will turn off this switch. So this means that the Recaptcha is on, but I'm on v2 now. If I do that and I don't reset my key, then it's not going to work. So what I'll have to do is get a different key for v2. So here, I will create a new one, for V2, and I have to click on it here and add the domain, which is here, and press add. Now all I have to do is accept the terms of service, and I click submit. Now I can copy the site key, go back to my AllProWebTools account, and paste it in here. Do that again with my secret key, and paste it in here. Then I hit save. So now that I've Recaptcha V2, I can go back in here and refresh the page. And as you can see, this Recaptcha V2 isn't invisible and it doesn't pop up right here. Since it's V2, I do have to click on it. And usually you have to have a challenge here. And then you click verify. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy helpful videos like this, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when AllProWebTools posts videos like this one to help you manage your business. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.